Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to draw on CapCut. So guys, at first you need to select the photo or videos that you want to draw and then tap on text. Now swipe left and tap on draw. Now here you can see a lot of pens and you can draw with any pens that you want and that you like. So I am selecting this one. And then you can also select your color, so I am selecting this color. And then you can also set the opacity, pen size, so I am selecting it just 10 and let's draw it. So guys, that's it. That's how you can draw very easily. And guys, you can also erase the draw if you want. Like this, and it is very easy to do. So guys, that's it. That's how you can draw very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.